My name is Dr. Catherine Stoddart. I'm the CEO of Brightwater Care Group and I'm a Curtin graduate. I've been very fortunate. I have wanted to be a nurse since I was 13 years of age, and that's how I started my career. I've had the chance to work in regional and remote Australia. I've been the Chief Nurse of Western Australia and worked internationally in Tanzania and Vietnam, and most significantly in Oxford in the UK for a large trust. I returned to Australia to be the CEO of Northern Territory Health in remote Australia, and then I have most recently taken up the role of the CEO of Brightwater Care Group. As the CEO of Brightwater, we care for people who are over 65 and vulnerable, and people with disabilities. They're a really important part of our community. A real highlight for me in my career has been being the CEO of Northern Territory Health during COVID, and it really hit home to me when one of the Aboriginal elders said, if we get COVID in the community, we could wipe out an entire culture. And so that burden has sat with me, and I'm really proud of the work we did there. My Masters of Project Management was really significant in changing the course of my career from being clinical to then influencing broader in health. My piece of advice to my younger self is, if you are starting in new roles or you're starting a new career, make sure you get the education and the skills so that you feel confident in that role. I'm really grateful to receive this award, and the person who helped me initially was Professor Di Twigg, who really recognised I could do something and pushed me to do it. My personal belief, I think, is founded in nursing, and that is caring for the vulnerable in our community. Now that could be people in remote Australia, it could be people who are aged, disability, children. All of that is really important to me.